Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel towards data science. Today we are going to see different ways of implementing VLOOKUP. First one is normal VLOOKUP. Second one is VLOOKUP from different sheet. Third one is VLOOKUP from different workbook. Fourth one is VLOOKUP for multiple values at once. Fifth one is VLOOKUP for minimum value. And the last one is VLOOKUP for maximum value. First, let us start with normal VLOOKUP. I have sales dataset with me. By applying normal VLOOKUP, let's see how to get the customer name corresponding to order ID. For applying VLOOKUP, follow this formula equals to VLOOKUP lookup value. Here our lookup value is order ID. So select A3, comma. Now we have to select table array. Table array is our entire range. Select the entire range. Fix the table array, comma. I have named for all columns as 1, 2, 3. Now customer name is in third column. So I'm selecting column index number is third. Now we want exact match. So put 0, close the bracket, give enter. Now we got the customer name for the respective order ID. Double click at the right bottom to get the result for other order ID. Now we have completed normal VLOOKUP. Let's start with VLOOKUP from different sheet. Now I have same sales report at second sheet also. We are going to get the country corresponding to order ID from the sheet 2. Here also same formula. VLOOKUP lookup values same order ID. Table array is here. You can select entire range, no issue. Fix the table array function F4, comma, column index. Here we want country in fourth column. So I have selected 4, comma, 0. Close the bracket, give enter. Now we got the country for this for corresponding order ID. Now drag till last to get the result for other order ID. Now we have completed VLOOKUP from different sheet. Next we are going to see VLOOKUP from different workbook. Here we are going to get city name corresponding to order ID from another workbook. In this workbook, I have same sales data set with me. We are going to get city name from that workbook. Here we go. VLOOKUP lookup value is A3, comma, select the table array, select the entire range, no issue. After selecting the table array, fix the table array with function F4, comma, next one is column index. Here city is placed at fifth column, so I am selecting 5 as column index, comma, 0, close the bracket, give enter. Now we got the city name for the corresponding order ID. Drag till last to get the result for other order ID. Now we got the result. We have completed VLOOKUP from different workbook. Now we are going to see VLOOKUP for multiple values at once. Here, getting the result in a same column will be easy. We can do by clicking Ctrl D. When it's come to getting the result for different column, will give you the error or same results. In order to avoid that, we are going to do little modification in a regular formula. The formula is VLOOKUP lookup values same order ID. I am going to fix the column. So click Shift 4. Now I fixed the lookup value, comma, table array. Table array, you can choose the entire table. Now I'm going to fix the table array by using function f4. Here, instead of using column index, we are going to use function called columns. Array value, we are going to select, since we want a state result, we are going to select the array from order ID to state. Now I am going to fix the Q2, since the Q2 will be same for all, because the Q2 will be starting of the array. So I am going to fix the Q2 by using function f4. Now I'm close the bracket columns function, comma, 0, close the bracket and give enter. Now we got the result for state. Drag left to right to get the result for other columns. Now we got the perfect result. Now drag till last to get the result for other order IDs. We get the perfect results. Now we have completed VLOOKUP for multiple values at once. Next we are going to see VLOOKUP for minimum value and also VLOOKUP for maximum value. Now we want to find out here which is minimum profit by using VLOOKUP. We are going to calculate profit, minimum profit by 6. The formula is VLOOKUP. Here, instead of selecting lookup value, I am going to use the function called min, min. Min. Here, array is, I am selecting this entire profit range. Close the bracket, comma, table array. Table array also same, comma, column index. Since it has only one column, I am selecting column index as 1, comma, 0, close the bracket, give enter. Now, minus 3.78 is the minimum profit we got. Now, we want to find out maximum profit. Same formula. Here I am changing max instead of min. Here 310 is the maximum profit. Here we got 3, 4. Now we got the maximum profit and minimum profit. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.